Click on the subscribe button, especially the bell on the right side. Otherwise, you will miss the latest videos.
In life, we face various problems and we suffer from ailments and diseases, and we are always looking for easy, quick remedies to solve these issues in life. So today we have with us at Saptarishi's Astrology, Shri K.K. Parasharji, who is a very senior astrologer with over 32 years of experience in astrology. He has been teaching astrology since the last 22 years at various centers in Mumbai, and he has 13 years of professional practice he has been doing since the last 13 years. Welcome, Shri Parasharji.
Namaskar ji. Thank you.
Sir, please help us with remedies and quick, some quick or small or easy remedies through which we can get rid of problems in life.
A few years back, a Jain astrologer from Kalyan, he told me that there's a very small remedy you can do to get good sleep at night. I asked him, what is it? He said, just in a copper vessel, put some water and keep it near your head at night and drink it in the first thing in the morning. So I said, that will help me? He said, yes, of course it will help you. Now, I would add up here also that with Jain Munis, they have got very small totkas, they can tell you, which help people to elevate their problems. So this man had told me this water, keeping the water at night. So I started keeping the water at night near my head in a copper vessel and drinking in the morning. Now, what happened? My sleep pattern was same. There was no change in my sleep pattern because I would get up around between 3 and 4 o'clock in the morning. And well, the only thing was, whatever sleep I had, it was a good sleep, a sound sleep. And when I was not getting sleep, I would just, remember my God or something like that. And I would get sleep. And in the morning, the feeling of goodness came over. So that was it. But later on, what happened? A video came to me of a Guruji who was wearing white clothes. His assistant was also wearing white clothes. And there was an audience also. And he was telling about some water therapy. So I got interested in that. What he was saying, that he went to Japan and they showed him a video of a 5 minutes video where they filled up a glass of water, 2 glasses of water rather. On one they wrote love, and on the second they wrote nafrat, and they kept it in a room at the same temperature, at the same lighting. And in the morning, what they found was the water where they had written down love outside, it had come out with a golden glow. And the one where they had written down nafrat, hate, that means nafrat means hate. So in that water, it was kind of a blackish water, which you wouldn't like to drink. So this is what they showed him. He said, after that, I started research on this water therapy, and I'm doing that water therapy. So what he said was to speak in the water. मैं एक पवित्र आत्मा हूँ 7 times. मैं एक शक्तिशाली आत्मा हूँ another 7 times. And then keep the water there near your bed and drink it in the morning, first thing in the morning. So what I was just keeping ordinary water in that copper vessel. So I added these words, these lines. मैं एक पवित्र आत्मा हूँ 7 times. मैं एक शक्तिशाली आत्मा हूँ 7 times. And then I would drink it in the morning. And that kept me, my health was good. A kind of feeling of goodness came over.
Okay, sir.
And then what happened?
Right, sir. I would just like to translate that. मैं पवित्र आत्मा हूँ would translate as I am a pious being or a pious soul. I am a pious soul.
Soul.
I am a pious soul. And sir, the second line was?
मैं एक शक्तिशाली आत्मा हूँ.
So I am a powerful soul.
I'm a powerful soul.
I am a pious
So
soul and I am a powerful soul.
Soul. So these two lines have to be repeated 7 times each.
Okay, sir.
Into the water. You must see your face into the water, in the water, right. And then say these lines, and then cover it up with anything, and keep it near your bed at night, and drink it in the first thing in the morning. So now the point is that Jain Muni, Jain astrologer just told me, keep the water. That was also giving me a feeling of goodness. And then I added this energizing the water. You see, by saying मैं एक पवित्र आत्मा हूँ, मैं एक शक्तिशाली आत्मा हूँ, I was energizing the water.
Right,
so it
sir.
became much more powerful, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, last year October, you see, I'm a businessman also. I came from Bangalore, so in AC train, and when I came out from Bhador station, it was drizzling, and there was a long line, long queue for a taxi. So I waited in that drizzle, and my head completely got wet because 45 minutes into the line was a big one. And after 3-4 days, I fell ill. So I went to meet my doctor. Actually, he is my student also. He has studied from me for 2 years. I call him Grish Bhai. I don't call him doctor because he has been my student and he calls me sir. So I showed him. He wrote 6-7 tests for me, which I got it done. When he saw the test, he said, you get yourself admitted immediately to the hospital. I said, what has happened? He says, no, you just get yourself admitted in the hospital. I said, I'm not going to the hospital. You give me whatever medicine you want to give me. I'll take it at home. So he was saying only, get admitted, get admitted. I said, I'm not going. So when he found that I'm on, I've become Ziddi. So he wrote certain medicines, but he told me that you get me the report every alternate days, your CBC.
Okay.
Which you can send it by WhatsApp messages. And then I'll keep guiding you what to do and what not to do. So I was going to the hospital, getting myself giving my blood. And then my neighbor, there's one Kotian, he would go in the evening and bring the report. And I got all right in about 10-12 days. So after I got well, so I went to Grish Bhai, that is my doctor. I asked him, Grish Bhai, what happened to me? He said, severe case of pneumonia, and it's a miracle. I said, okay. Miracle? What do you mean by miracle? He said, you can understand, if you understand English, you will understand what is miracle.
Right, true. I mean, you had pneumonia and still you got well.
Severe case of pneumonia, because
Mm.
all that water got into my head
Mm.
for all that 45 minutes, and I mean, things went wrong. And he said severe case of pneumonia and this miracle. According to me, I was saved. It is a miracle. So,
That's
and
amazing.
during this all this time,
Mm.
so I was doing this water therapy also. I mean, besides the medicine which I was taking, I was doing uh, this water therapy also with that. Now, what helped me to come out? Well, God knows better, but I'm there right in front of you.
Right,
So
sir. Mm.
that happened last October.
Okay. And
So
sir, you have tried this many times, or it's just one occasion when you tried it and it worked out, or have you tried it again when you weren't well?
well, up to no, I have no ailment after that.
Oh, that's
So I'm not
amazing.
tried it.
Okay, I
So
get
I'm
it. I
not
get it.
tried.
And sir, other
Yeah,
people who have tried this water therapy and have reported back to you about it working?
yeah. They have, they say it helps. They say it helps. No, they
That's
can't
amazing.
elaborate on that, but they just say helps.
Okay, sir.
So,
I think that
uh,
suffices, if even if you get to know that it has helped people.
yeah. And now, secondly, I'm coming to that video which came, that Guruji, that,
Yes, sir. Mm.
with white clothes and all that, they didn't announce his name. No, what he said was, all our ailments, all our diseases are in our head. And only 10% of our brain is free. Rest all cluttered up with, negative things. Whatever negative things you can think of it. So that must be taken out from your head. So what he suggested was to keep your hands right on your head like this for some time, say count 50, 60, maybe, I mean, within a minute's time, maximum 1 minute time, and do it a few times in a day, and all those negative things will flow out. So, yeah, no, you keep your hands together.
Okay, we need to keep our hands together like this.
Yeah, and your this palms should touch the head.
Okay, okay. The palms should touch the head this way, sir.
The
Is
center
right?
portion of the head. Your
Okay, okay.
center
The center
portion, yeah,
portion.
yeah,
Is
yeah.
this correct?
It's not the
Okay,
head. Yeah, like this, and
okay,
let it be there for some time, and
okay,
then you can keep it down and do it a few times in a day. Correct?
okay.
So this is
Sir,
what he told me.
right.
So told in
And
the video.
anything else, sir, along with this?
No,
Just this one?
I'll tell you. Just bring your hands down.
Right.
So, so later on, uh, there was one mantra which came to me. That was Kunjitha Padam Sharanam. So it was supposed to relieve all kinds of ailments and also, work for your any problem, other problems. Like somebody said, my marriage certificate was lost, so I did this Kunjita Padam Sharanam for some time in the day, and evening I was able to find that certificate. Something on that. Even if you are doing it for somebody, this Kunjita Padam Sharanam is very good and it helps the ailing person. So what I have done is I've combined the two together. So what I do is I uh, I chant this mantra, Kunjita Padam Sharanam, one mala, and then I rub the hands together and then keep it on the head, right? like this. And
Right, sir.
afterwards, it says, if you want to have any problem in your body, you keep those hands there. No, suddenly one day, I, my, I think right knee started paining. So I started doing the same thing. Now, where that pain went off, I don't know. And then my hip bone, this joints, hip joints, there the pain started. So I started doing the same thing, keeping the chanting the mantra Kunjitha Padam Sharanam, one mala, then keep it on the rubbing the hand, and then keeping it on the head, and then at those spots wherever the pain was there. My pain was in my right knee, then this hip joints, and on the tailbone. As you say, my back is paining. So where that pain went off, I don't know. So this was done only for few days, but afterwards what I have done is I have made it regular. When I sit for puja, I do this also.
Right.
For the future. I mean, things may not develop again.
Okay, so sir, basically what you do is that you chant Kunjita Padam Sharanam. You say
Sharanam,
this
right.
108 times. You
One
take a mala.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
you do it.
Yes.
You chant this for 108 times. After that, you rub your palms a little vigorously and
yeah, vigorously means as
to create heat.
get warm. Heat,
Right,
right.
right, sir. And then you place it the way you showed us in the beginning.
Yeah,
Your
on the head.
Wherever you feel pain, you place your
Pain.
palms at that location. And this you are doing every day so that this pain doesn't develop more, and on daily basis it stays in a good condition.
It is, yeah. It is only the daily basis I do it. Only once.
Right, so
But
once in a day.
if you have more problems or something like that, you got to do it more number of times. This
more often.
more number of times in the day.
Okay,
this Kunjita Padam Sharanam. So I have linked all these things together and brought this up. And there's one more point which I didn't say it in the Hindi version.
Okay,
which I'm going to
please
say
share.
right now. Now, you make a circle, and in that circle, write the patient's name, whatever the name may be, and put a line down, and then write the mantra Kunjita Padam Sharanam. Now, fold that paper and keep it under the pillow or under the mattress, wherever it can be kept, or you can put it in an envelope and then keep it, because paper could be torn off, if it is just lying under the pillow, it get torn up. So and this thing has to be done in blue color only. Now I'll show you what I have prepared the chart, and I'm going to show it right now.
That's wonderful, sir.
Can you see? Is it possible?
Sir, please continue speaking. I'll be able to see it.
Yeah, I've written down the name of the patient. Then underneath is Kunjita Padam Sharanam. There's a circle and there's a line in between.
Right,
so this is done in blue. This is done in blue color. And then fold the paper like this and keep it under the pillow of the patient.
Okay, sir. I got it. So you have made you have taken a blue pen, made a circle. You have drawn a line in the middle of the circle. On the top of the line, we have to write the name of the patient, and below the line, we write Kunjita Padam Sharanam. And fold it into half and place it under the pillow or under the mattress of the patient.
And now, one more point. Now, circle should not be folded.
Okay, okay.
See, I have not folded the circle. The
Right.
circle is full,
Hmm.
and it is the paper is folded from the middle, and then kept there.
Right.
So
So, sir, it's
this
very
can
clear. Yes.
this can also be done up. Okay?
Okay, sir. Anything
So
more, sir, you would like to share with us?
let me see. Yeah. Now, after doing all this mantra, Kunjitha, Padam, Sharanam, you must repeat this Gayatri mantra, chant rather Gayatri mantra at least 21 times. And if possible, do it, one mala, because in 1995, I'd gone to Bangalore. You must have heard Dr. B. Raman's name. There was Vastu program for 3 days, which I had attended that time. And there one astrologer particularly talked about this thing, that if you want to benefit from any mantra, you must repeat, you must chant Gayatri mantra. At least one mala. He said one mala, but later on I found even if you cannot do it 21 times at least.
Okay, so sir, for
So
any mantra to work, after
yeah.
reciting or chanting that mantra, soon after that one needs to recite and chant this Gayatri mantra, sir, for
Yeah.
the previous
Bilkul
mantra to work.
Yeah. No, as I was just telling you that I normally chant this Kunjitha Padam Sharanam, rub the hands, and then keep it on the head, and then wherever some pain is coming up, I keep that hands there for some times. I just count, my habit is to count, count for 30, 40 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, And after finishing that, then I do this Gayatri mantra. Now, supposing somebody is doing 21 times this Kunjita Padam Sharanam. Now, after, say, he's doing 7 times this. So after doing that 7 times mala, 7 malas, then do this Gayatri mantra for one mala for Gayatri mantra. Okay?
Okay,
So,
sir.
and also this Guruji, whose video I have been talking, he also said, say we have done something wrong in our previous 1000 years back, even wrong. So those things are still coming up to us and troubling us. He said we must do something to elevate those problems. So I also was wondering what to do about it. I mean, how to elevate the old problems.
Right.
Now, see, this is a very pertinent question. Anybody will ask how to, do something for the karmas which we have done in the previous births. So, seeing these, videos on YouTube, I found a, video of a Hawaii. There's a place like Hawaii. I'm not hearing you sound.
Sir, yes, sir, I'm here. It's just so that there is no disturbance. So I'm.
Acha, okay. So I found, attracted to that particular thing, and that is known as Ho'oponopono.
Okay,
This
sir,
is
could you
what they
say
have
it
named it.
slowly?
Ho'oponopono.
Ho'oponopono.
Ho'oponopono. Hanji. Now, what?
Ho'oponopono.
Hanji. Ho'oponopono.
Okay, sir. Uh-huh.
Hanji. So this is the name of that system. which are they developed in Hawaii, America. Hawaii, I think, is in America only.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what they recommend is, you say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And do it at 11 times, so that you're asking, you feeling sorry what you have done, you're asking for pardon from the God Almighty. So it attracted me. And can you imagine, when I did it for the first time, whose figure appeared in front of my eyes? Lord Vishnu.
Oh, wow.
Can you just imagine?
Sir,
Can
so
you just
wonderful.
imagine? This is a Hawaii, what you can say, a mantra. But when I started speaking, I don't know from where his image appeared in front of my eyes. Lord Vishnu's. Lord Vishnu means, you can say, even Lord Krishna also.
Right.
So it got, that gave me a lot of rather confidence. Yes, that means this mantra this thing which I'm saying is working. Because when the Lord Vishnu has come in front of my image, I never thought that somebody, some image will come. It just suddenly came into my, as I was just saying, this image came over.
That's wonderful, sir. That's really wonderful. It shows that all the beings, the universe, the gods, we all are one. There are these
Yes,
powers
definitely.
that connect us.
Yes, definitely. This showed that.
It's
And
wonderful.
there's one more thing, connecting with this, I'll tell you.
Please,
In
sir.
Mahabharat, when Bhisham Pitama is on arrow bed. There are a lot of arrows and he's lying on
Yes,
that.
sir. A bed of arrows. He's lying on it.
Yeah, he's lying on bed of arrows. So he calls up, he asks Lord Krishna to come there. And Lord Krishna goes there. So he says, well, this is my fate that I have to die, because he had the, he could die by, he had that
Ichha
boon
Mrityu,
granted to
right, sir?
him.
Yes.
Yeah, Ichha Mrityu, boon granted to him. He could die.
He could die at will.
But he
He could
said,
live his life
at
at
will.
will. Yes, sir.
But he said, no, I'm lying on bed of arrows. No, what I have done in my previous birth, previous to previous birth. So I want to know that. And you can only throw light on that. He said, yes, I'll tell you. He says, in your previous birth, you went to a jungle for, doing hunting. So there you saw a chameleon. Chameleon means chameleon means
Sir, it's fine.
हिंदी में क्या?
This is for our English viewers, sir. Chameleon.
हाँ, yeah, chameleon or chameleon. I don't know if it is the same thing. So, and it was changing colors, every moment. So he got attracted to that, and he wanted to catch it. He said that chameleon started running front, you started running behind.
Okay.
And in fear, that chameleon jumped into a bush, and the bush was completely this कांटेदार, क्या बोलेंगे उसको?
Sir, yeah, it was a pricky plant. It was a, the bush
pricks.
was, yeah.
So the chameleon fell into that,
In that bush.
in that bush, and all those kantas, those things, they got into that chameleon, and the chameleon died. Okay. So this is the condition. This is what has happened with you.
Oh,
So you are lying on a bed of arrows.
okay. You
Whatever
had to be
was
poked so
happened,
many by
so
so
many,
many
yeah,
arrows.
yeah, the same thing had happened to the chameleon.
Hmm.
So many those kanta, that got into this chameleon. So same way, so many arrows have got into you, and you are lying on the bed of arrows. So the point is, whatever we do in our previous births, it comes back again and again. And suddenly, sometimes we feel, suddenly without any rhyme and reason, we feel sad. We feel, everything has been is going on rightly, but suddenly you feel sad, morose, that kind of thing. No, those things keep coming up. So those things, whatever you have done in the past, I found this. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. To the God Mighty, and say, Hey Parampita Paramatma, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Say it 11 times. Zyada nahi. Just say it 11 times, and that's all. So
Okay.
that your all previous bad karmas are removed.
Okay. So only these lines are required to be said. Only these four
Yes,
lines.
only these.
God
Yeah,
Almighty, Lord Almighty, whichever God
yeah.
then.
No,
So
no, you don't imagine any God. Just say Param Pita Paramatma. Oh
okay.
God, oh
Uh-huh.
God, oh just
Oh God.
don't bring anyone. You will get the image of your God.
Oh wow. Yes, sir. Like you visualized, like you saw Lord Vishnu.
Yeah, I didn't visualize Lord Vishnu. I just said, Hey Parampita Paramatma, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Uh, thank you. I love you. And the image of Lord Vishnu came in front of me.
Right, sir. You didn't visualize it. You got a vision sort of a thing after saying
Yeah,
all.
I was doing it with my closed eyes. All this thing was I was doing with my closed eyes.
Okay, okay. That's
So
a wonderful remedy.
maybe the God Himself came and helped me out.
That's
So
wonderful.
that's all.
Sir, I'm
There's
sure people will
uh,
benefit immensely because these are so easy, such easy remedies, quick, and also these can be practiced daily.
yeah, they can be practiced. I would say, uh, besides this, you must, ask for pardon. As I said, please forgive me for your previous karmas, what you have done in your previous lives. Unless those get removed, you will
Hmm.
not be happy.
Right. Sir, they are
You
the
have
main
to do
obstacles.
something.
Hmm.
Yeah, they are the main obstacles in our life.
Right, right.
So that's all I have to say at the moment. I have
Thank
said
you so much.
more than what I have said in my Hindi version, and I have added certain more points here. So thank you very much, Vishali ji.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much,
हाँ जी.
Parashar ji. Thank you, sir. बहुत सारे आपने अच्छे remedies बताए. You have shared so quick remedies with us and such wonderful things connecting the whole universe and Paramatma. Thank you so much, sir.